Rebecca the cat.
Hey guys, this is Penny the cat. Yay!
Wow, that was awkward. Anyway, so this is my kind of first official video on YouTube, maybe?
First official.
I mean, because the welcome was just a welcome. Anyway, that's not what we're here to talk about today.
He's doing a questions and answers video.
But
how are you going to do it?
Well, I am going to do it is my fellow kitten here, Penny Gaming, is going to read the questions out that I got from Instagram.
I'm the one that actually suggested this, so if you want more on Figaro,
hey,
someone else, I don't know.
Don't interrupt my video. It's my video. Don't you dare stick out your tongue out at me, missus.
Anyway, let's get to it. So my
Sorry about that, little
question is, what or who inspired you to do YouTube?
What inspired me? Well, well, my fellow kittens here. My fellow kittens had made a YouTube.
Who are your fellow kitten friends?
My fellow kitten friends. Well, yeah. Oh, by the way, we're all kittens. I know it's just cat, but we're actually all kittens. Well, at least, and I'm like the middle brother.
I'm the oldest. I'm the youngest, I mean. Cracker's the oldest. Then it goes Figaro, then it goes me.
Yeah, no, I'm the oldest, so I get to boss them around.
No, you really don't. Anyway, that's for another day. So, a few of your fellow friends inspired you to do YouTube.
Yeah. Well, both my sister and my brother inspired me. Which Penny, obviously, and Figaro. But then, because I went onto channels and I was I saw this other cat person do videos. What was his name?
Stampy?
Oh, that's the one.
He looked like you, but a bit less like you.
He kind of looks like me a little bit, but rather cubey shaped. But also Figaro and Penny, obviously, because they're they're not the best. I'm the best. But...
Question 2.
Okay, question 2.
I haven't really thought these.
Have I got a back toe? Yes.
When are you gonna do a face reveal?
Well, my face is a cat. I'm a cat, so.
Oh yeah, you've already done one. Never mind. Question 2 again.
This is me. I can't believe I'm managing. This is a picture that Penny took of me when I was a bit younger. No, Figaro actually. Figaro took this picture of me, and
because I wasn't born when you were little.
Yeah, and
you're 12.
Yeah.
Or something, or 5. I don't know.
Hey.
I'm 3 or something.
And he took the picture of me, and I was like, oh, so yeah, you will get to see me in the future.
You actually have only seen me in my Minecraft, me in Minecraft, but you haven't actually seen what I actually look like. So, yeah. If you want to see me playing, then I will. I'll get Figaro to film me playing.
And me. Anyway. Second question.
What is your main goal for subscribers at the moment?
At the moment, my goal for subscribers at the moment is it's either 5 or 10.
Mine is 20. And then on 20, I'll probably start playing
Video games.
I already play Minecraft.
Oh, what's Minecraft?
Well, you know what? I'll do a video. You know what? Let's just do a let's play if you play on Minecraft.
Anyway,
what was my question? Oh yeah. Okay. Question 3. What games are you gonna play on your channel?
on my channel. What games am I going to play?
Just 5.
Well, I'm going to be playing Minecraft. Or is it Minecraft?
Minecraft.
Oh, Minecraft. See, he's into all these video games, and I'm not into all these video games, but he's getting me into them. So.
Okay, we don't have long.
Okay. Calm down. How long have we been recording for? Anyway, that doesn't matter. Anyway, yeah, Minecraft Story Mode.
Minecraft Story Mode, I played that too.
Minecraft Story Mode. Bit Mario. Bit it's like a game on the Wii. It's a game on the Wii. I think it's like Wii Party or something.
Oh yeah, I love that game. Okay, that's enough. Question 4.
Running out of time. Gonna have to be quick.
Why? How long have we been recording for?
I don't know, but it's been like about 5.
Okay, I think that'll be the end of the video then.
5, okay.
Do your outro, Cracker. I'm gonna go sniff around. I've had something smells fishy around here.
Oh, fishy?
Ow! Just do your outro.
Okay. Well, since Penny is being a wimp and just hurt herself, then, well, hashtag Penny's a wimp in the comments. Ow! Ow!
We'll see you next time, guys. Or he will. If you want to see me, go on my channel. He will leave a link. Because without. Bye. Bye, guys.
Don't do it. Bye, guys. I'm the best. Hashtag Penny's a wimp in the comments. Ow! Why'd you hit me? Goodbye.